If you're looking for a natural way to tighten, brighten your skin, and help firm up your skin naturally without the use of any topical drugs such as tretinoin, Retin A, hydroquinone, or anything drastic such as plastic surgery, laser, or Botox, then this may be a natural alternative for you. And this is called microcurrent. Hi, my name is Christy and I have been treating clients for over 14 years now and over 26,000 different treatments in the areas of acne, hyperpigmentation, and anti-aging. And this video is being sponsored by 7E Wellness, which has created the home version of microcurrent called the the Myolift QT. So this is a very simple handheld device. And I actually have some of my clients use this device. Now, it's not only because they are sponsoring the video. I've actually used this in the treatment room for quite a few years on many different clients. And if you want to see the videos of me actually doing that and some of the results, then those links will be in the description below. But today, what I'm talking about is how it actually helps the different skin conditions. Now, it's not right for all skin conditions, but it is good for brightening the skin. It's really good for firming the skin and for fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so if you can see this facial muscle chart here, it actually shows how the facial muscles, unlike the muscles in the body, which can be supported not only by laying on the bone, but also it's attached to ligaments and joints as well. The facial muscles here are only attached to bone. They sit on top of bone and with skin. And over time, as gravity is constantly pulling on our facial muscles, they start to form fine lines and wrinkles or sagging, depending on if the muscles, depending on where it is overworked or underworked. So what I'm going to show you next is a demonstration on how the Myolift Microcurrent QT can help with nasolabial folds right here, marionette lines, fine lines and wrinkles, number 11 lines, as well as forehead lines. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to do today a very general hands-on demonstration of the Myolift QT. So it is not specific to any skin condition. I will be doing a follow-up video on some adjustments that you can make, but today we're just doing a demonstration on how to use this. So what you would do is you would download this free app from the Myolift QT onto your phone or your iPad. So here is an example of the app on the iPad. It has all the different ones, including GLutathione, and it has ones that you can do to instruct you on how to use it with any accessories, like the conductive gloves, forehead mask treatment, eye mask treatment, lip mask treatment. So it has a whole array, and it even has one where you can do your own. You can create your own lift treatment. But for the sake of time, we're going to do one for the JOWL lift treatment here. And you can press learn here, and you play the video, and it shows you how to do it, along with the intensity of high or low, and the treatment time, which is only 2 minutes and 36 seconds. The timer starts to go, and then you click on that to go ahead and start. Then it also shows the conductivity. It's on red right now because I don't have it on my face and I don't have any gel on my face. But when it turns to green, it'll tell you that it's actually working. And you can control the intensity from low to high. I would always recommend starting low versus high when you first begin. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply the gel that comes with the packet. If you have breakout prone skin, oily prone skin, or sensitive skin, you may want to get a different gel that's not included in the packet, but for today's sake, I'm doing everything in generalities. So I'm actually going to be using the gel that it's included, okay, the packet. So in the treatment room, I usually use a stainless steel or a very small like ramekin, but I'm actually just going to apply it on my hands for today. And then I recommend using a mask brush so you don't waste, because if you put it with your fingers, you end up using more product and an uneven application. So you're just going to apply it evenly only in the area that you're going to do the Myolift. So let's say we're only going to do the JOWL treatment. Okay? Okay. So after you apply it, you're actually going to turn on the app and you're going to follow along with the app. And because it's paired with it. Now, I have the app already on, and just to avoid confusion, you start the tutorial. So for the JOWL one, you're going to have it just on your jawline, and you'll hear that 2 buzzing, which means that it's on. And you're going to work it up to about the cheekbone right here, and you're going to hold it for about 4 seconds. And then you're going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do it 3 times, and then you move to the next area. 1. So basically what this is doing is, in this particular instance, that the JOWL treatment, we're actually working underworked muscles, right? That's why it's sagging. So anything that's sagging, whether it's your jawline, your jowls, you're actually working it. So like the gym, when you start off, you are not overworking your muscles. The trainer starts you off on a very low rep and probably low weight. So I recommend, even though it says to do high and you can control the amount of conductivity, I usually have my clients start on low, because you have to remember it increases the efficacy of your products. Okay, so whoops. So I'm going to have to pair it again. Okay. Oops. So when you turn it on, it'll buzz like that. Okay. Now, another part of the muscles that sag that can help lift them is around the orbicularis oculi, and that's the muscle around the eyes, and so it causes saggy eyelids. So what you can do is you can actually, put it right over here. Oh, well, there went my makeup here since I have another appointment, but oh well. So then you have to remember to start the app again. And it's pairing it while it does that. And you're going to start the tutorial. And basically there's one part of it where you basically go right underneath the eye and you just lift and you hold it for 3 seconds. You do it again. And you do it 3 times each time. And basically that just strengthens the muscle, so it actually appears over time. If you have saggy eyelids, they just uplift the eyelid. And you can even do one which is the brow lift, and that's going from here and out. Hold. So that's one example that you can do to help uplift your upper eyelid. Okay, now we're going to work on overworked muscles. So overworked muscles is what causes the dynamic wrinkles. Dynamic wrinkles are basically crow's feet, number 11 lines, forehead lines. It's basically a muscle that you use over and over again, whether it's smiling, laughing, squinting, and those dynamic wrinkles can turn into static wrinkles in which you work those muscles over and over so much that even when your face is relaxed, your facial muscles are relaxed, those wrinkles are still there. And so that's what's called static wrinkles. Okay, so we are going to work on the crow's feet today, and you're just going to take your conductive gel, you're going to apply it in the area that you're going to work on, and you're going to make sure that the app, you turn on the app so that it pairs with your Myolift QT, and you want to make sure when you're doing the eye area that you want the intensity to low. So you want to make sure that it's low, and then you're going to turn it on. Okay, so basically, this is just an example. You're going to hear the 2 buzzing to make sure, and you're going to basically bring it up all the way to the side. You can, you know, however you want to hold it. Down, hold it for 3 seconds, bring it back, hold it for 3 seconds. And one last time. And you can, and then you're going to do it on the other side. Okay, so that's when you do the crow's feet. You address the crow's feet. When you're doing the forehead lines, now, some of you have asked if you can use this in conjunction with Botox. And you have to, so Botox actually freezes the muscle to prevent any muscle movement. So you're going to have to wait until your Botox wears off to do this treatment, okay, to be safe. So how you do this one with the forehead is you're going to, again, apply more gel across the forehead, just like this. And then you're going to go to the app, and you're going to and then you're going to turn it to where it says the forehead lift treatment. Now, if you got the ones that have the included mask treatments on here, they basically, you would put this in place of using this, and they have it for the forehead, upper lip, and eyes. And basically it comes with this contraption, and you basically take this and you plug it into your Myolift, and then the other 2 plugs go into the mask. You peel it away from the adhesive and go ahead and place this on. Now, I'm not going to go too much in depth with this part because I'm doing that in a different video. However, so let's say you had acne. So when you have acne, you want to make sure that you don't have any active lesions that are open, including any other open lesions on your face. And you're going to apply this onto your face. And how this works on acne is when you are using it, so let's just do, turn this on. Okay, so let's say you have acne that's healed, right? As you're using this, this actually promotes and increases the hydration levels in your skin. So when you use this, you tend to produce less sebum, which that is what the acne-causing bacteria actually feeds off of. So that's one. The other one is it actually increases or decreases the time that you have acne. So it speeds up healing with your acne lesions. The other thing that it does is for those of you who have aging skin, our skin cell turnover rate slows down significantly. So what this is doing is not only is it increasing hydration for our skin, so for mature skin, we slow down in oil production. So therefore our skin becomes drier. So this actually increases, it helps increase the ability of our own skin to help hold in the hydration. It increases the ATP or the energy levels in our skin, so it regenerates and revitalizes our skin. Therefore, those of you who have uneven skin, it actually helps with slowing down pigmentation formation and sagginess of skin, fine lines and wrinkles. It does all of that without the use of any topical drugs, any kind of invasive treatments, if that is what you are looking for. Now you'll see in this picture right here, you will see a before and after of one of my clients who used this, and you will see an improve in skin texture and her tone, her overall tone, as well as natural lifting of her skin. So if you are interested in this, there is a discount code in the link below, the description below, because remember, makeup is an art, skincare is a science.